First, it was a strike. Now it's a lockout. But the bottom line is hundreds of nurses and technicians at New London's Lawrence M. Memorial Hospital have been out of work for nearly 2 weeks.
And this morning, there's a new wrinkle in the talks to get them back on the job. Talks that were supposed to happen today. News 8's Aaron Cox is live this morning in New London with a question. Will there or won't there be negotiations, Aaron?
That seems to be the question of the hour. Of course, we're right outside the hospital, and you can see the workers who are locked out, and scheduled for this afternoon have been canceled, with each side blaming the other for this apparent deadlock. As Ali said, the bottom line, 800 nurses and healthcare technicians are simply off the job. Now, a negotiation session was planned for this afternoon. It appears that the two sides now can't even agree on who exactly should be at the bargaining table. The union wants it wide open so any of its members can attend the session, but the hospital calls that grandstanding, theatrics, and wants to limit the negotiations to the actual negotiation teams. Now, Lawrence M. Memorial Hospital saying because of this, it plans to file a claim of an unfair labor practice against the union, saying it's just not bargaining in good faith. But the union says, you know what, we're going to show up for this negotiation session this afternoon with as many members as we can possibly muster. You know, this started as a 4-day strike, but when the unionized workers wanted to go back to the job, the hospital locked them out and has brought in nearly 300 replacement workers to try and keep this hospital running. Meantime, the union says it's helping the workers who are now locked out that you see walking the line here this morning. They're trying to help these workers file for unemployment benefits, and the State Department of Labor is expected to hold its first hearing on whether or not they qualify for those benefits sometime today. We're live in New London this morning. I'm Aaron Cox, News 8.